Hello everyone, today in this video you are going to learn how to find out maintenance order settlement rules in SAP. But before that we need to know what is settlement rule. In SAP plant maintenance, a settlement rule defines how the cost of a maintenance task collected on a maintenance order are distributed and settled to cost object, that is cost centers. There are two types of how the settlement is performed: periodic settlement and full settlement. In periodic settlement, costs are transferred periodically, like weekly, monthly, while in full settlement, costs are transferred at the end of the order, or when full settlement runs, system checks all the maintenance order which is created in the month and carries any cost which is not settled. Then this cost is settled through full settlement. Settlement rules, therefore, in SAP PM are a crucial component of accurate cost accounting and financial management within the maintenance process. Now we are going to see how we can find out maintenance order settlement rule in SAP. We are going to use transaction code IW33. In this command field, we are going to write IW33 and press enter. Here we are going to write maintenance order number and press enter. In this system status, if we see this SETS, this shows settlement rule has been created. We can click onto this button in order to view further details. The total cost incurred onto this maintenance order is 19,156. Now in order to view the settlement rule, we are going to press this button so that we can view the settlement rules. And as we can see, there are two settlement rules against this maintenance order: periodic settlement and full settlement. And this is the cost center against which maintenance order cost will be settled. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.